afternoon, colleagues. I'm just going to show you quickly how to adjust the torque in the new Wurth pistol screwdriver. This screwdriver has got a torque setting that you need to do manually, and it's from a 2.2 Newton meters up into a 10 Newton meters. Now, when you turn it, you'll still see it as it's a left-hand thread. Turn this down, take it off, pop the pistol down, take your 17 spanner, and do your adjustment. Obviously, if you go tighter down, you would make it go the screw more deeper into the wood, give you a little bit more torque. If you go the other way to make the spring looser, the torque wouldn't be as much, and you will not have a depth setting within the actual screw. It all depends on how tight you want the screw to be.